Hi, welcome back. It's me again, Betty. I haven't filmed in a while, and the reason why is because I've been playing around with makeup. I've been doing really bright eyes. They're all on my Instagram if you want to see them, or many of you have actually probably already seen them because you come from my Facebook group anyways, but thank you for stopping by anyways. I have no look in mine right now, but I do want to use one specific pigment that I really like. It's a Makeup Geek pigment, and I'm not sure what I'm going to go for yet, so we'll see. I'm going to come back with, I have nothing on my face. I'm going to come back with, that's actually the pigment. Spoiler! I'm going to come back with one eye done, and then I'll come back and do the other eye with you. So I'll be back in a bit. Okay. It's a red look, but I just really love my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. Like, I love it. I don't know, like this one, I just love it. So this one's actually really easy. I already primed my eye. Just have to make sure I don't crease it there. Just pat out the creases. I'm gonna get my Wayne Goss number 3 brush, just a pointer brush, and I'm gonna get the color Sandalwood. Like, I only use like 4 Sandalwood, 5, I lied, Sandalwood, Maneater, which is a really hard color to pick up, a little bit of Cocoa, I used Dubai on the lid, and then I used Bay on the brow bone. Right, so I guess I thought it was simple, but evidently it's not. So I just get some of that Sandalwood, and this one you can really kind of omit because you don't really see it, but I love using eyeshadows. Get a little bit more Sandalwood and just kind of plop it on your eye. You know, it wouldn't be a video if the neighbor's dog wasn't barking. It's like no matter what time I do my makeup, he's always barking. I don't know if you can sense me doing it. I don't know. Sigma E35 blending brush, my little wispy brush, and then I'm gonna go into Maneater. This one's gonna take a little bit of going back and forth because for some reason that shade is really hard to pick up. And with this one, I just kind of went back in and go in a couple times. Don't you start getting patchy on me. And of course I use my Makeup Geek pigment, which is the pigment in Utopia, which I think is discontinued. I want to say it is, but this one's brand new. I'm not opening that one until I'm completely out of the ones that I have. Yes, I said ones. A little bit more Maneater. Like, it's a lot of Maneater here. It's like a Maneater look. Okay. Then go in with my Wayne Goss number 18 brush, the big paddle brush, because I need a big one for that outer corner right here. Back in with Maneater, and just pat it right on the other corner. Like, if you just put it like sideways, like if it's the flat edge right there, it gets right at the corner. Like, that's a, like, for me, that's a perfect shape. And I say perfect, I don't know. This could look totally terrible to everybody else, but to me, I like it. Okay. And then I grabbed some Cocoa, which is that brown one. I feel like this, and then same thing. I feel like this palette didn't get enough like airtime. feel like everybody just jumps onto the next palette, the next palette, the next palette. And it's sad because when I really like a palette, I'll use it day in and day out. I do not care, which is why I can't really do these videos often, because if I like something, I'll just wear it out. So now I'm going to take a shader brush, which is my MAC 242 brush, and I'm going to take a color I don't use very often. And it's funny because I actually wanted this palette because of this row here. Don't use them. I don't know why. But anyways, I'm taking Dubai. And just, I'm not carving out the eye or anything. I'm just going to go ahead and set it right where I want the color, which is about, I don't know. What is this? Like over, I don't know if you can see it. It's over the crease, over my fold. Just put it on there. Okay. And then I'm going to take my Utopia pigment. Just like that. I think for this one I need a little closer mirror. Can't see what I'm doing. Too close? Too close. I love this pigment. I just finally, so I gotta make sure they match. Like, I finally figured out why I don't use it as much, because it was so messy. But I figured a way around that too. Can you see it? It's like wet. Sometimes I have good ideas. And it's not, there's no primer, there's no, well, there's a primer underneath everything, but there's no mixing medium, there's no glitter glue. I'm gonna try this out, hopefully it works, but we will see. Okay, so that's it. And then I go back in with a little bit more of, I want to say it was Man Eater and Cocoa mixed together. And just kind of blend out, or just pat really, that outer corner where Utopia and the matte shadows blend out, like where they match up. God, I just can't talk. I don't know why I do these things. I can't talk. But you guys see what I'm doing. A little bit of bay. I hate that word. On my Chikuhodo T7 brush. Just a little bit under the brow bone. And then I'm going to go ahead and just take some, the Wayne Goss number three brush with nothing else on it, and just kind of like blend around the edges. And see, you don't want to do it too much because I already blended some of that out. So go back in with the wispy brush. and just kind of re-intensify that. I mean, this is totally a wearable look. I've been going out looking like a clown for the past couple of days and I love it. So I do my eyeliner and everything and I'll be back. Eyelashes make a huge difference. So even if you have really crappy eyeshadow application, like me, eyelashes make a difference. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with eyelashes on. So, you see that? It's like, they're like bangs for your face. I hate bangs, but when I get them, they're like, oh, they look pretty, and then after a couple days, I'm like, oh no. Same thing with lashes. Actually, not the same thing. I love lashes. Especially these. And these are the Cocoa Goddess lashes. These are like the only ones that I'll wear. So people say that the lash band's too thick. I actually find it perfect. For me at least. No, I was having a little harder time to attach them. But that's it. I mean, so yeah, that's the Utopia Makeup Geek pigment, which I love. And I also made, so I've been wanting the lemon head jelly space paste, space jam, whatever it's called. So I decided a couple days ago that I would try something myself. And I made my own jelly. And it's, I don't know. You know what? It's actually a perfect time to try it. I'm going to try it right now. I'm going to try to put some on. And I'm going to see if it works. And if it works, I'll let you guys know how to make it. But let's go ahead and get a brush. This one's the gold one. I made a couple of different ones. Let me get the gold one and just pick some up on my brush. And let's see what happens. Oh dear, I am not using any glitter glue today. That is probably not a good idea. Ay, ay, ay. But we'll see. I mean, if this works, well, I'm a genius. If it doesn't, only YouTube knows. I could potentially just ruin a semi-decent bad eyeshadow. Let's see. Oh man, well there goes Utopia. I actually kind of like that better though. Okay, so, ooh, inner corner highlight. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how that works out. Do some 24K. Put it right in the center. Ooh. That might have just ruined it. Whatever. Okay, but that's it. I just wanted to show you guys that, and I will update down in the little description thing at the bottom if the glitter stayed on, and hopefully it does, because if it does, I'll show you how to make it. Okay, bye.